So I just came home and my package is here. I'm just gonna dive straight into it. Been waiting for this. What's this? Welcome to EE. I got it on a carrier. This was an upgrade. All paperwork I don't need. Right. This is what's important. My notes. Finally. Just grab a quick knife. Package is sealed. To there. Okay. If I can get this. Okay. Get rid of that. Woo. So I've played about with it. Oh, look at that. It's still got the seal on it. Okay. Why is the plastic so damn hard to cut off? Oh, there we go. All done. Ooh! Take a look at that. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh, that looks so gorgeous. Anyway, let's go put that there. So I'm coming from a S6 Edge. I've literally had it for about 2 years. Let me take out the case. It's funny how phones feel so differently in the hand. Like, it's a massive upgrade. I've missed having a note. Let me get rid of all these notifications. Get rid of YouTube. And I've got soft. The time my note came, I should say, there's an update. So, you know, we shall be doing that later. I might keep the phone or sell it. It's still in perfect condition, as you can see. You know, but yeah, let's put that aside. Let's see what get in the box. Pin ejector. And this is all paperwork which I don't need. I've not had a note since like the Note 3, and you know, it's been a long time coming. So as you can see in the box, we have the AKG tuned headphones, which I'm going to be definitely using when I'm going out. Because normally I use a Bluetooth over the ear headphones, but when I'm going, I like to keep it discreet. Got the USB Type-C cable. Oh, what's this? Replacement earbuds and tips, I believe, for the S Pen. UK version quick charge plug, and we have the adapters. So this is for micro USB to USB Type-C, and USB adapter, which I'm going to need because I'm going to do a transfer soon. Okay, so let's, oh god, the phone is just so beautiful. I don't think people understand the wow factor when you have the phone in your hand. It just feels so good. It's like a solid block of glass, you know. But yeah, oh god, I've been waiting for this phone for like, whoo, swish, get rid of that. And the back, swish, get rid of that. Yeah, I don't need this on as well. Get rid of this as well. Don't need that. Flop that over there. Oh, man, that is just so gorgeous. Look at that. Let me see in the light. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. See, a lot of people complain about the fingerprint, but I've got big hands, so Look at that. That's just me holding the phone normally. Like I'm so like compared to this, you just turn it on and it's unlocked. It's that quick. So with this power, or just yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have any problems with this device and unlocking it with the fingerprint. So, but yeah, we are going to do a live data swap. So I need this on. I need a SIM card. I can do the SIM card later. Why am I getting messages now? This needs to go on mute right now. Let me just put this on mute because I'm gonna get disturbed and I don't want that. So I need a SIM ejector quickly. Let's get this out. I've been so looking forward to this phone. It's unbelievable. So this is it's on EE in the UK. We all know the specs. 64 GB. I've got a memory card which needs to go in there as well, so that can go close. I'll do the memory card later, but first I'm just so excited, like I'm just rushing this right now. I just hope I don't mash up anything or I would literally cry. Imagine if I get my SIM card blocked in there. I will cry. Alright, let's turn it on. See, a lot of people complain about fingerprint, like I'm touching on the screen like this, yeah, it's like, yeah, the back definitely you get fingerprints, but it's gonna go in the case anyway. So let's just turn this on. My first power on, there you go. See, I'm so OCD, yeah, that's gonna go in there. Well, this comes on. I also bought a couple of cases, which I'm going to be reviewing. I bought a Speedgen case, air cushion technology, slim armor. I've also got a Rinky case, so we'll put them on, and I got a screen protector. I will put them on later on. So let's do this. English. Hope you can see. Is it nice and clear? Cool. Start. Connected to my Wi-Fi. Got to hide this bit. Keyboard feels so good. Connect. We're back. Connected. Next. I'll agree to all of this. Next. Checking for updates. God, beautiful. Let me sign into my Gmail quickly. The keyboard feels so beautiful, man. Password. Next. Agree. Come on, come on, come on. That's the notification to say that I've signed in. I've signed into another device. Which device that I'm coming from? My last use today. Okay, so I always got 79 apps. It's not bad. Actually, can I go back? Can I do that later? Don't restore, set up device without apps. Actually, I can restore that now. Yeah, restore. Let's see how long that takes. Set up face recognition, set up fingerprint. Well, I'm going to be using iris scanner for now. I want to see how that goes. So let's just give that a quick setup here. Next, set up a secure lock screen, register your iris, continue. I would like a pattern, as I always do. Require pattern when device powers on, yes. So anybody turns off my device, that. Zorro. Do disclaimer, continue. Hold your face, da 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 da. Okay. Let's do this. That was quick. Quick and painless. Hold your phone at eye level, about 25, yeah. Next. If you're wearing contact glasses, take them off, yes. Open your eyes fully, done that. Avoid direct sunlight, keep your camera clean. Yes, yes, yes. Select a mask, add your own style. Oh, cool. I can do that later. So this is for the always on display. Eye content, no, I don't want eye content. Notification icons only. Eye notification details and show icons only. No, I don't want that. Done. Next. Next. Let's see how long this takes. Here we go, Samsung account. Let me sign into my Samsung account. I'm looking forward to using Bixby. Hold on. Still doing this thing. Come on. But yeah, so I wanted the deep sea blue, but unfortunately in the UK, welcome to Samsung account. Allow. I'm gonna take a quick picture of myself. Next. Get your content, smart switch, copy from your old device with smart switch. So, going to use smart switch. Don't think I've got it saved, downloaded on my other device. I think I need to. Smart switch. Install. While that's installing, I can go and grab the cable, which I need. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So turn this on. Oh, that's painless. Okay. Smart switch. Need that on. Installing smart switch. I need this in here. Okay, it says plug this into the device, like so. Allow. Connecting to Galaxy device. Okay, so let's see what contacts. Contacts, messages. I think I want every single message. Yeah, or it might take a while. How many messages have I got? 2000. Wow, that's a lot of message. Contacts, memos, call log, internet. Alright, it's going to be a while, but yes, I want all of them to be transferred. All of this takes what, 7.5 gig. Okay, transfer. Here's how long it takes. I might have to pause the video and come back to it. More useful to take a look to see if you want to make changes. Unused apps might use battery power. Extend the battery life by automatically putting apps that have been that's on. Secure your stuff. Select screen layout. To view more content or content more clearly, set the level of screen zoom, and to view smaller, larger text. Okay, what's the text saying? Fonts. Yes, I like them a bit big. No, that's alright. Yeah, that's perfect. Cool. Go back. Finish. Don't disconnect the cable. Transferring content was Theo Galaxy X6. Okay, I'm going to pause it now and be back as soon as it is finished. And we're back. So while I was doing that, let me close the app. I was setting up my Bixby. So, hey Bixby, cancel.
Okay, here is what I found on the web.
So I don't know why she went on web, but she does work. Just take this out. Oh, put that aside. We're gonna sort that out later. So let me just see how much memory I've got left. I think there's a software update as well, if I'm correct. So there is. Let's see what the software update is. So the software update is the stability of camera has been improved. Stability of wireless charging has been improved. Overall device performance has been improved. Okay, cool. Well, I shall do that later. Let's go back. I just really wanted to check the memory to see how much memory is left on the device. Storage. So I've used 18.4 gig of the 64. Well, as I said, 45 left. And I will be putting in a micro SD card. Eventually I'll buy a 256 when I can. Screens are so beautiful. I've got messages already. Okay, so I've got a few cases which I will put them on later. But thank you for watching. If there's any questions, please feel free to ask. If there's anything you want to see, feel free to ask. I will do a video. I work full time, so I'll be doing videos whenever I can. But get the S Pen out. Go away, I didn't ask you for that. Yeah, gorgeous. Bixby Vision. Well, let's see if that works. Let's see if it picks up. Let's see how good Bixby Vision works. Go to start. Yes. Allow. Allow. Yes. Over ESPN over something to select it. Back. No, I don't want that. I will be in the camera app, won't it? Go to shopping. Perfect. Ah, it works flawlessly. Images. Look at that. Beautiful. Cool. Go home. Slide this in. Unboxing of the Galaxy Note 8. I got the midnight black on EE. If there's anything you'd like to see, just leave a comment and please like and subscribe. Thank you.